Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto from Erin Floto Designs, and today we are setting up for my goals planner. Now, a really quick recap on how I used to do goals planning and how I've been doing it this past year and what my plans are for 2025. So in the past, for example, here's my 2023. I had my main 2023 page, my word of the year, my intentions. I did annual goals, and then I used to do level 10 and quarterly goals every single quarter. Oh, and sometimes I took notes on books, apparently. But you can see I did quarterly goals, and I used to attribute certain goals for each category every single quarter. For the past year, what I have been doing is I set up my 2024. I did my intentions for 2024. I did my word of the year for 2024 as usual. And then I was very goal action plan oriented. So every single goal that I created an action plan for it, what the start date, due date, end date, actual end date versus the due date. And then I filled out a progress bar. So for example, this has to do with my monthly digital subscription kits, which are sticker kits meant for bullet journaling or planners in general. And then I set up what are the action steps for each month. And then I filled out, okay, for January, I completed it all the way up through December. So this is how I've been goal planning. I haven't been doing anything quarterly. I have just been focused on what am I doing for that particular goal. This year, I would like to do basically the same thing, except I would like to come up with a couple of annual goals related to each of the categories. So these are color-coded for the category it would be in, which you can see. Personal goals is red, fun and recreation is orange, work and learning is yellow, family and relationships is green, health and wellness is blue, business is purple, financial is pink, and physical environment is gray. So if it was in that category, for example, this is health and wellness because it's related to my prenatal training, so that would be blue for health and wellness. So that is how I've set things up this time. So I would like to come up with a couple of annual goals for each particular category, like just to kind of refine my focus for the year and then move forward with just the action plans. So that is my plan. That's what I've got going on. Let's go ahead and set this baby up. So that is my 2025 goals setting planner. So I have my cover page. I somehow skipped a page, so I'll try to figure out something to use this for. I have my intentions. I tried to use more of the dark gray. It's like a very dark gray, just to mix things up a little bit. So I have my intentions page, which I am filming this in October, so I'm not filling this out till closer to the end of the year. I do have some things written down. For example, like, what could I use more of in my life? Work-life balance. So that is something that I have, but my life is going to completely change in the next month. So I want to cater my intentions to what my life looks like closer to 2025. And then in 2025, my word of the year is going to be nourish. I thought it was the perfect word considering I am nourishing a human being at that point. And I also want to, it's that like bring your pink back kind of vibe. I want to nourish like my own health along with baby boy. So I have to promote the growth of and to furnish and sustain with nutriment. So those are my words for 2025. This year, like I said, I did want to adjust something. And of course, I didn't wait long enough. And so you can see all the little marks, which is very much annoying me. So maybe I'll figure something out there. But basically, closer to the end of the year, I'm going to kind of do my annual gauge of what my level 10 life is, which isn't a big deal because I do that at the end of the month anyways. So I will go ahead and fill this out. Basically what my December level 10 is, that's what I will fill out here. And then, like I said, I would like to have a couple, either one or more goals in each of these categories. So I have personal goals, fun and rec, work and learning, family and relationships, health and wellness, business, finances, physical environment. And then I have this blocked off. I'm not sure what I want to do with it yet. I kind of want to do like a running goals list, I guess, is kind of my thought process, that like, hey, these are the ones that I come up with at the beginning of the year, or these don't really have a category necessarily. I'm not really sure. So I've left this space blank because I figured I would just kind of have like that running list. And then from there, I will start doing the action plans per goal. And just like last time, it will be color-based. So the first one that I can absolutely think of putting on here is my financial reviews, which I did have in 2024 as well. So conduct a monthly financial review. These are the action items for that. And then I fill out the progress bar as I go. So I can absolutely see that being one. There's a lot of home projects going on, so I can absolutely see gray being used for my physical environment, for the home projects. And then each page basically gets a day, or each goal basically gets a page. Yeah, that's kind of messed that one up. Okay, anyways, so that is my 2025 goals planner. Let me know if you have any questions below. Let me know how you are goal planning in 2025. Let me know if you've even begun thinking about it. I can't wait to hear some more. So thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.